Folks, BandLab has done it again. They just keep adding new cool features to their already free browser-based DAW. In fact, today's feature that we're going to take a look at can actually help you kick writer's block to the curb once and for all. Hey friends, welcome back to the Home Studio Simplified channel. This channel exists to simplify the complexities of the home studio and to help you make professional sounding music in a less than professional space. If you have no experience, then that's no problem. You can actually learn how to create professional sounding tracks from scratch with over 70 tutorials on this channel, and all for free. Yes, you can finally create the music that you've always wanted to make, even if you're a beginner. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the Home Studio Simplified channel and learn everything that you need to know about making music today. Now, along those same lines, one of the seemingly reoccurring themes that keeps cropping up in the comment section is about people asking me, how do I deal with writer's block? Well, this is where today's BandLab feature steps in to save the day. Now your inspiration is just a click away with this new feature called SongStarter. SongStarter lets you access an entire universe of unique musical possibilities in just a few clicks, and in keeping with their business model at no cost to you. Now, for the skeptics that are in the room, I've already made an entire video here that talks about how they're able to keep all this amazing software free. So go and check that out if you're a little skeptical about that. But I digress, so let's move forward. So how will SongStarter help you smash that like button? I mean, crush writer's block? Well, simply input a lyric, an emoji, or if you're feeling saucy, you can even roll the dice for a nice little surprise. Now, with a click of a button, SongStarter will generate a variety of musical compositions that are entirely yours to keep without any kind of copyright infringements. You can even select one of the 3 moods for each composition before choosing which one stokes the smoldering embers of inspiration. Now, once you landed on a keeper, just simply open it up right in your browser by using the mix editor and begin creating. Now, it's notable to mention that this is not a one-time thing. You can try this as many times as you want to generate more unique tracks and go wherever your creativity leads you. So the question of the day is, what are your thoughts on this kind of technology? Do you think it's cheating or some kind of taboo shortcut? Let's hear what you have to say in the comment section. Oh, and by the way, did you know that BandLab actually has a Big Brother desktop version? That's right, it's called Cakewalk by BandLab. In fact, it's been around for over 30 years and it has some of the most powerful features on the planet for a free, full-fledged DAW. Now, having used it in a professional capacity for over 20 years myself, I would love to even show you how to use it. You can either check out the playlist that's appearing on your screen now with over 55 tutorials for everything from installing to creating your first song, or if you'd like a more in-depth, hands-on version, I even have a course called the Ultimate Cakewalk course that comes with multi-tracks for you to mix along with, featured on the Pro Mix Academy and backed by multi-platinum engineer Warren Ewart. This course is bound to get you up and running in no time with one of the most powerful free DAWs on the market. So I'd like to know if you've used the new SongStarter feature or not, and if you have and you've created something awesome with it already, send that song to my email address at homestudiosimplified@gmail.com and I'll have it featured here on the channel. All right, so the next time you get into a creative jam, hop on over to the SongStarter and start getting inspired. What's awesome is whether you choose to use the convenient mobile and browser-based BandLab or the powerhouse of a desktop DAW Cakewalk by BandLab, all of your projects will sync up flawlessly for instant recall of whatever creative state that you are in before you had to sign those autographs. What? I've had to sign autographs before. Well, okay, maybe it was the back of a yearbook, but I mean, hey, that counts, right? First to sign your crack. All right, folks, that's all I've got for you today. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber already, and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I go live or upload a new video. Until next time, remember, we can dream alone, we can even create alone, but together we can achieve so much more.